Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to do this kind of design which is in my opinion the easiest nail art to exist like ever. This is called the dry brush technique. So if you want to find out how to do these easy yet beautiful looking nails, keep watching. So here I already have my nails prepped with the base color that I wanted. I wanted to do the classic white and black combination, but you can do this with any colored base and also any colored polish. I've also done like a light peachy base with colorful, nail polishes on the base, which turned out really good. But for today, let's stick with the basic, which is white and black. So what you got to do is prepare your base color, can be anything that you wish, and then get a piece of paper or a book. Right here I have my book, and what you have to do is take the color polish which you wanted. I am choosing this today, the Mia branded one. And what you have to do is take the brush and remove almost all of the polish. Just wipe it on the paper till most of it is gone. Now that most of it is gone, what you have to do is get your hand and pick a finger and just start doing random stripes. So with me, I have some nail decals ready here. I bought them, I don't remember where, but I bought them a long time ago, and trust me, they last a while. You can choose any one of these, or like I said, one sticker from multiple of these. What you have to do is cut them out and just soak them in water. So I already have them cut and prepped. All we have to do is soak them in water. I have some water over here with me right now, and all I have to do is take these and put them into the water and let them soak for a minute or two. I will soak them and I'll be right back. Now that they're soaked, they just fall right off of the sheet of the paper, and I have them right in front of me. All that's left is the placement of these right now. So let me start off placing these on my nail. These are my nails after the placement of the nail decals, and now to seal them in and make sure that they won't fall off or anything like that, we will be adding a top coat. I am adding here the gel top coat which I bought off of AliExpress. You don't have to use a gel top coat, even a normal top coat would be fine, but this is just way easier for me. Okay, our nails are pretty much done here, and you're good to go with it. I actually love this kind of nail art because it's abstract and beautiful looking at the same time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe.